Buddy Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Very sharp, nice leather seats, some accent stitching, sunroof. Silver accents and the dark wood grain trim throughout as well. Blind spot assist. Come around to the back of the vehicle. You can see the CLA 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Trunk. Some new all-weather mats there for you. Take a look at the rear here. You can see that accent stitching. Rear seats. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at our seat controls here. We have memory seats for both driver and passenger. See the controls there with door controls, driver seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. Now let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 28,972. And it'll be push button ignition. And here's the Mercedes-Benz display. We can see the navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that, you've got buttons to switch between radio, navigation, cell phone settings as well. And climate control below that. This vehicle does have an ashtray as well as a cigarette lighter, cup holder, and command module here for making changes to the display. And Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about the CLA 250 or anything else on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.